Hi guys! Oh, that was a little bit high pitched. So, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is something a little bit different today. So I've had a lot of requests from you guys just wanting to see how I achieve this beachy, wavy curl that I pretty much wear day to day or on a night out or whenever I posted pictures. I've had a lot of questions on how I achieve this look. So I thought I would show you. So if you'd like to carry on watching and you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next. So before I start, I just wanted to quickly run through what products I use. So when I wash my hair, I'll just quickly show you. I use the Label M shampoo and conditioner. Now I use the honey and oat shampoo and conditioner because this is for lightweight repair for dry, dehydrated hair. And since I've gone back brown from black, my hair has just needed a lot of extra care, so I use those two. I do also use the Label M heat defense spray. However, I don't have any at home at the moment. I've ordered it, it's on its way, and it's just not here for me to show you. But I love this product. I use the Label M Rejuvenating Radiance Oil. This, guys, is heaven in a bottle. It is so, so amazing, and it smells incredible. Like, I didn't know that could do that. It is insane, just a must have. I love all Label M products. My hairdresser showed me the way to good hair is through using good products. So I will attach the links below of those few products. Now onto the appliances. I always straighten my hair, so I blow dried and then I straighten my hair, just go over it with straighteners, because to achieve this look I always like to have a straightened end of the hair, and sometimes my top of my hair can go a little bit frizzy, so I like to straighten that too. And I use the GHD Platinum. So this one's in pink, as you can see, and I've always used GHDs. They're amazing. They're one of the best. Any other straightener would be fine, but I use those. And now onto the main event. This is the curler I use. So this is the Babyliss Boutique curling wand. It's got a slightly thicker barrel than the norm, but this is just my godsend, and this is what I use to achieve this look. So I will link this below, and then if you keep watching you'll see how I use it. So I'm going to start with brushing through my hair. I'm just using a normal thistle brush here. I will link below if I can find one similar. So I'll start by parting my hair and sectioning off the bottom half of my hair from the top. This just makes it so much easier so that you can get the curls on the top a lot more defined. So going in with the curler, I'm just going to section off a part of my hair, wrap it round, and holding the end of the hair so that I have a little bit of hair at the bottom. This is just so that the ends stay straight. So going in with the curler, I always point the hair away from the face. So I'm always wrapping the hair around the curler away from my face, and I just feel like this is the way I achieve the perfect curl. Then I start on the other side of my hair, sectioning the same sort of amount. This is just a pinch of hair, and again, facing the hair away, wrap it around the curling wand. Now don't worry too much about the bottom of your hair, because this is just the bottom section of your hair, so it's not what everyone's going to see. I don't tend to spend too much time on the bottom half. Once I've done the bottom half curls, I like to brush through with my hands just to give them a little bit of a breakup. Then I start sectioning the top part of my hair. I like to section one half off and then start on the other. Just a quick brush through and then I start sectioning off. I like to start from the back of the hair just so that you don't put the curler on top of you when you're doing the front side. Again, just facing the hair away from the face and wrapping it around the curler. I hold the hair on the curler for about 30 seconds at a time. Depending on how much you pinch of hair, if you take too much hair, this will need more as the curl won't last as long. I just try to do a small little section for 30 seconds. Again, I just like to brush through with my hands. And if I see any sections that I feel I need to go over, I will. Then starting on the last part of the section, brush through and start from the back of the hair. And once again, curling away from the face. This is such an easy hairstyle to achieve. It's something that doesn't take long. This probably takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to achieve this look. It is such a quick and easy look. Okay, so once all the hair has been curled, I like to give it a little zhuzh, and there we have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This was new for me, doing like a tutorial or a beauty sort of thing, so I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to be doing another sort of tutorial soon, maybe a different look or a makeup tutorial, so let me know what you think. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Do you want your hair done? Do you want to do your hair tutorial? You sat in Mummy's seat.